for a day. He would like to actually have his book known to at least those who are here in this room today, and then it will go out in public. So we have also professors, Dr. David Gellner from Oxford University, as you all know, and Professor Michael Huff from Charles University, who are, I think, the best people to get this book launched. And I would like to also come and call them.
As a beginning researcher, when I first arrived in Kathmandu to do a PhD in 1982, I moved finally after some months of preparation. I moved into Nagaland in to do my research, and I knew from my friend Betty Billy that you've got to find out what are the clans of the and there was a strange lot because in some parts of the valley they use their clan names as their surnames, and in other parts of the valley they don't. And in where I'm living they don't. In fact, somebody else didn't know what their own clan name was. So I started making inquiries of there was some famous clan which did where I was living. They were called Drumfacer. So then I discovered, well, there's another local lineage called Kichakwa. And then you start getting more and more. Now I started making inquiries. I discovered there was one local lineage that was known as Bale Kifa. So this is one of the specialities of Myanmar culture. And sure enough, if you look carefully in this book, you will find. I'm not going to tell you what they are. You have to read the book. But there are some exotic names. Sakwami are known to each other. So thank you very much. Sakwami being
I will have to defer to Professor Gellner's expertise on this particular context, but I think particularly to have a book published in the language of the city is the subject of that study, particularly significant achievement, significant event, and something that I think many of us which I think emulate in the sense of giving back our understanding to the societies and the cultures that we've studied. So I congratulate you on that. But other than that, I think those are my words. Thanks and congratulations. The translator's name is Sylvia Radhikappa, so we were asked to particularly mention Sylvia. contribution to this project. Thank you very much.